Guys, hope you are well. Welcome to another training at Fitness Business Accelerator. Those who don't know me, my name is Yashwardhan Swami, and I have a couple of ventures in the fitness space. The our parent company is called Trained by YVS, where we help people make it the last time they are dieting. At Fitness Business Accelerator, as the name suggests, we help fitness coaches just like you start and scale their fitness business to 2 crore rupees per annum. And today's training is very important because today we discuss how to get DMs like this every day, where people are themselves messaging you every day that how can I work with you? If this is not happening every day, that means you are going somewhere wrong in your marketing. And so this training is called How to Get Inbound Leads Daily. अब आपको ये समझा देता हूँ इनबाउंड लीड क्या होता है कि आपका ये इंस्टाग्राम डीएम्स है, उधर आपको खुद मैसेज आ रहा है लोगों का कि आई वांट टू वर्क विद यू, दे आर मैसेजिंग यू द वर्ड ट्रांसफॉर्म, वट एवर द वर्ड इज, एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई एम नॉट श्योर ये ब्लू लाइन कहाँ से आ गई, बट या इट वेंट अवे. ओके, सो हाउ टू गेट इनबाउंड लीड्स डेली. पहले आपको मैं एक चीज समझाऊंगा जिसे कहते हैं पावर डायनामिक्स. पावर डायनामिक्स क्या होते हैं? दैट इफ टुडे आई मैसेज यू फ्रॉम माय एफबीए वाला पेज दैट जॉइन एफबीए, you would suddenly have more power than I do, because you would psychologically you'll be like, this person needs me. But in actuality, it should be the other way around if you're a good fitness coach, because if you're a fat loss coach or a transformation coach, whatever your niche is, fact of the matter is they need you, they need your service, so they should always be messaging you. अब इसमें एक मैं क्विक स्टोरी और एग्जांपल देता हूँ. So there are these business coaches who have a similar business to FBA, who do similar things to FBA. They keep a lot of times they keep on messaging my current clients to act all friendly and stuff like that. And the other day we were at an event, our quarterly mastermind, where we meet, where the whole group meets for 2 days, where I teach them the latest strategies and systems to scale their fitness business to the next level. After the event, when we were sitting, they were like, showing me DMs, and they were like, these business coaches don't even know how to get clients, that they need to literally beg in the DMs, right? सॉरी आई डाइग्रेस्ड, बट बैक टू दिस. सो बेसिकली क्या है कि आपको ये समझना है कि अगर लोग आपको मैसेज करें, यू वुड ऑलवेज हैव पावर डायनेमिक्स वाइल कोचिंग, ड्यूरिंग द सेल्स प्रोसेस, ड्यूरिंग द कन्वर्जन प्रोसेस. अदरवाइज क्या होगा कि आप लोगों को रीच आउट कर रहे हो, सो दैट्स not the optimal way to go, according to me. And if there is a system which can actually make sure that you are getting DMs like this every day, why not? So that is the point. And how to get inbound leads daily, and that's what we are going to do. And again, what I'm explaining is purely based off my experience of running my own online fitness business, my main business, which is called Trained by YVS. And let's get this rolling. फर्स्ट चीज आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा व्हाट मेक्स यू स्टैंड आउट, बिकॉज 99% ऑफ कोचेस लिटरली साउंड द सेम. 99% ऑफ कोचेस आर मेकिंग सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट. सबका कंटेंट देखने में सेम लगता है, स्क्रिप्ट सुनने में सेम लगती है, इंस्टाग्राम बायो कहीं से उठाई हुई है, किसी और एफबी मेंबर की इंस्टाग्राम बायो कॉपी पेस्ट करी हुई है, थिंकिंग दैट वर्क्स. नहीं, यू नीड टू फाइंड योर डिफरेंशिएटर, सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. एंड दीज डेज whosoever we onboard for our high level mastermind, this is the first thing we do. And literally man, this is where I personally sit with the person to help them find a differentiator, because that this defines your brand direction for future, not for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, not for months, literally for years, right? And 99% of coaches are not clear on what makes them stand out. And बहुत बार coaches को गलत फहमी क्या लगती है कि यार मेरा है ही नहीं कोई differentiator. सबके पास होता है differentiator, सबके पास. Literally, I don't remember the last time I had an interaction with someone जिनका हमें differentiator नहीं मिला. Yes, कई कबार थोड़ा experiment करना पड़ता है, but that is what. And this is the number one thing which you need to do to build your brand without competition in 2025, 2026, or whatever, right? Differentiator है क्या, as the word suggests, what makes you different from others. That's all, right? Because एक चीज आपको अंडरस्टैंड करने की जरूरत है कि सारे कोचेस सेम ही बात कर रहे हैं. माई डाइट इज द बेस्ट, माई वर्कआउट इज द बेस्ट. And आजकल सारे ये भी कहने लग गए, okay, we take care of your health also, blood work also, all of these things are cool, but everyone else is saying that. So आपने differentiator पे ये करना है, what can I say others can't. सीधा सा हिसाब है, आपने बैठ के ये सोचना है कि यार व्हाट कैन आई से अदर्स कांट, सो दैट आई एम डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स, राइट? एंड इफ यू डोंट नो दिस, योर ब्रांड वुड गो इन द राइट डायरेक्शन, एंड रैंडमली आपका बिजनेस बिल्ड होगा लक पे. तो आपने अपना बिजनेस लक पे नहीं बिल्ड करना, प्रिंसिपल्स पे बिल्ड करना. वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट प्रिंसिपल्स इन टूडेज टाइम इज फाइंडिंग अ डिफरेंशिएटर. And that is what. If you don't find it and move your brand in that direction, you'll sound like 99% of coaches and end up becoming a nobody. Now, question for you is, do you want to become a nobody or do you want to stand out? इसलिए आपने इशू क्या है, आपने कभी इस चीज पे एफर्ट नहीं डाला. दैट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग व्हिच वी नीड टू वर्क अपॉन. फाइंडिंग अ डिफरेंशिएटर along with the other things which I'll share. And I'll give you some examples of differentiator. आपको रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल ही देता हूँ, आपको क्लैरिटी आ जाएगी. At trained by IVS, differentiator number one. I was myself obese for 18 years of my life. I also realized I tried losing fat multiple times, but was never able to reach my goal because of psychology. Our whole last diet method, coaching method, pura coaching method is our differentiator. The fact that I have pursued masters in psychology, us specializing with those who have tried transforming multiple times in the past. We only work with those who have tried multiple times in the past and still haven't reached their goal. Plus, they have more than 10 kgs to lose. 10 plus kgs. उससे कम वालों को हम मार्केट ही नहीं करते. Right? Next comes our brand. I've been building this brand since last 8 years. Can that be copied? Not really, right? The kind of results we get for our clients, can that be copied? No. Plus my personal life and my values, my personal life experiences, experiences as an entrepreneur, experience as a son, experience as a husband, all of these together become big, makes my brand what? Competition free. I'm not sure ये blue line क्यों आ रही है, but anyway, we'll just ignore the blue line. And that is what. And ये क्या है, आपके डिफरेंशिएटर आपने फाइंड करने हैं और उसको बिल्ड करते रहना सो दैट बिल्कुल भी कंपटीशन ना हो. बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स पीपल गेट bewildered कि भाई आपका मेन बिजनेस ट्रेंड बाय आईवीएस, आप फिर भी लोगों को एफबीए पे इतनी चीजें सिखा रहे हो, फिर भी आप यूट्यूब चैनल पे इतनी चीजें सिखा रहे हो. दैट इज बिकॉज आई हैव रियलाइज दैट ट्रू ब्रांड्स कैन नॉट बी कॉपीड. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. एक और एग्जांपल देता हूँ डिफरेंशिएटर का. एफबीए पे डिफरेंशिएटर क्या है? सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंशिएटर हमारा ये है कि हमारा मेन बिजनेस ट्रेंड बाय आईवीएस है, विच इज अ कोचिंग बिजनेस. वी आर नॉट business coaches who are teaching people how to make money without making money ourselves in the same industry, right? So basically, my main business is this. That's one of the main differentiators. A lot of people who join FBA or FB are like, okay, yes, we want to build a business like trained by IVS in our own style. It's as simple as that, right? So basically, we have real experience in the industry of 9 years. Whatever funnels we run, खुद build किए हैं. मतलब most of that is built by my own experimentation on my own brand, right? So that gives us the biggest edge more than anything else, right? Next is whatever we teach is long-term strategies, business principles, right? That's why our businesses are still scaling since last 8 years, right? We are playing the long-term game. If someone joins FBA for, someone wants to start a fitness business short term as a, random thing, they're not serious about it. They're not good fits for us. It's as simple as that. Next is the hybrid method. Guys, by the way, hybrid method, आपने समझना है that, to if you want to learn how our coaches are getting to 1 to 2 crore rupees per annum with this method, there would be a link in the description. Check that out. Right? We install. This is the same thing which I have installed in my own business, and this year, by end of this financial year, I'll be at 9 crore rupees. We have already crossed 7.5 CR in this financial year. 7.5 के आसपास, 7.25 के आसपास ऑलरेडी क्रॉस कर चुके हैं. एंड दैट इज व्हाट, राइट? एंड दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच आई हैव इंस्टॉल्ड इन माय ओन बिजनेसेस एंड हैव बीन रिफाइनिंग दिस सिंस लास्ट 8 years. अब ये बताओ, ये कौन कॉपी कर सकता है? 2017 में स्टार्टेड माय फिटनेस बिजनेस. नाउ इट्स 2025, राइट? कैन दिस बी कॉपीड? नो. Next differentiator is most of our clients work with us for 2 years or longer. Why? Because they are getting great results, right? Common sense. Obviously, if you join anything and you don't get results, would you stay with that person? No. So biggest differentiator ये है कि बहुत बार हम ads भी नहीं चला रहे थे. मतलब literally last 2 months ads ही नहीं run करी हमने. And still business was growing. We were maintaining numbers. Why? This recurring revenue. And this is what we teach our clients also. Right? Ki how do you build recurring revenue? Most coaches, where they go wrong is they just keep on focusing on getting new clients. फिर इसलिए current clients के results नहीं आते, current clients renew नहीं करते. उसके systems, which I'll discuss with you in a minute. And another differentiator is that we have up to 20x more post-trade case studies in quantity and quality than anyone else in the market. So अब ये सारी चीजें competition क्यों होगा? That's why competition does not exist. That's why you would never see me pull people down, call people out and stuff like that. Because literally real businesses are built with positivity and providing positivity and value to your clients more than anything else, than rather than bullshitting others. Okay, so this is differentiator find करना बहुत ज्यादा important है. Hybrid method वाली जो वीडियो उस पे differentiator पे मैंने I've covered that in depth. Next part is stop being a slave to the algorithm. यार अब आज आपने ये देखना कि आर यू अ बिजनेस ओनर हु क्रिएट्स कंटेंट टू ग्रो देयर बिजनेस, और यू आर अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर. ये आपको डिफरेंस समझने की जरूरत है, बिकॉज अगर आप कंटेंट क्रिएटर हो देन यू नो एल्गोरिदम शुड बी एवरीथिंग फॉर यू. इफ यू आर अ बिजनेस ओनर then your focus should be something else. If your focus is solely on getting likes and views, you will never attract people who come and say, "Here's my credit card, just sign me up." Literally, still at this stage, at least 30 to 40% of our signups are like this. People get on a call and they're just ready. They're just confirming कि भाई, can I afford this person? And they literally pay, right? और अगर आप ऑन द स्पेक्ट्रम सिर्फ एल्गोरिदम के स्लेव बन के रहोगे, यू विल अट्रैक्ट लो बजट पीपल, यू विल अट्रैक्ट people who are not in your niche and everything else. Why? That would be because of the topics you choose. Because actual specialists make content for that one kind of person, and that one kind of person may आपके post viral नहीं जाएंगे. One thing which I've seen is, uh, and this is after making 2000 plus posts, most posts which have gotten me the maximum amount of money haven't gone viral at all. मतलब एकदम low reach, but a lot of clients, because I always ask my clients ki, what was your favorite post and stuff like that, right? Keep in mind, massy topics get more likes and views, but often come with low quality leads. What do you want? That's something which you need to understand and know. Are you a business owner or you're a content creator? ये आपने सोचनी है बात, and उसके basis पे आपने you have to move forward. Next, focus on expertise and focus on content that actually gets you clients. Plus point number one, मतलब differentiator. Differentiator बहुत important है, and that would decide your brand direction, and everything should be in relation to that. Next is don't rely on just one source for getting leads. ये आपने याद रखना है. In today's time, nothing is consistent. Organic तो consistent है ही नहीं. Those who have been creating content since last 2 3 years, as business owners also know that reach is going down and down. टिल लाइक 6 9 months पहले तक ना स्टिल एक देयर वाज अ फार्मूला कि भाई, इस टाइप का कंटेंट बनाओ, इस टाइप का हुक होगा, ये टॉपिक होगा, स्टिल यू कैन गो वायरल. नाउ दैट इज गॉन, राइट? सो एनीथिंग गोज वायरल, नॉट एनीथिंग, उसके लिए भी देयर इज सम ऑब्वियसली साइंस, बट ऑडियंसेस आर गेटिंग बर्न्ड आउट रियली फास्ट, राइट? सो if you are serious about growing your business this year, you cannot simply rely on one of these. You need a hybrid. Number one cheese, content is important. It's a necessary evil. याद रखो. बट अगर आप सिर्फ ऑर्गेनिक के बेसिस पे रहोगे तो नहीं होगा, बिकॉज these platforms also want to earn, and these platforms know you are running a business. So ब्रांड बिल्डिंग के लिए कंटेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट इज नेसेसरी. बगैर इसके आपको कोई ट्रस्ट नहीं करेगा, बिकॉज वी आर इन ट्रस्ट रिसेशन राइट नाउ, एंड दैट इज व्हाट. एंड वी कांट लिटरली जस्ट वेट फॉर लक टू गेट क्वालिटी लीड्स. एंड लाइक आई मेंशन, आपने वायरल कंटेंट नहीं बनाना, आपने कंटेंट बनाना एज अ बिजनेस ओनर. ठीक है? बिजनेस ओनर किसके लिए कंटेंट बनाता है? क्लाइंट्स के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस वीडियो माइट नॉट गेट thousands of views, but fact of the matter is I don't care. Even if I get like 500 views of right people who will eventually become my clients, not if not today, after 6 months, after 1 year, I'm good. Next comes ads. The thing with ads is कि ad cost eventually ऊपर जा रही है, right? Ads are great. Ads should be used. But if ads are used in conjunction with this, that is the hybrid. Hybrid use करोगे, you'll change the game, right? And that is what. And ads are great addition for organic brands to boost the brand, right? But content and ads should go hand in hand with each other. अब फिलहाल ये टाइम आ चुका है, ट्रस्टेड सेशन है, मतलब कंटेंट नहीं है तो एड्स नहीं वर्क करेगी, और एड्स नहीं है तो एट टाइम्स आपके कंटेंट की रीच कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो सकती है, राइट? एवरीथिंग शुड बी इन सिंक. एक और भी चीज याद रखो, सिंक्रोनिटी होनी चाहिए एड्स में. एड्स से कोई भी आपको डिस्कवर करता है, वो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली ट्रस्ट नहीं करता. एंड दिस अप्लाइज टू our brands like FB and trained by YBS also. So there should be sync in everything. For example, ad, IG bio, content, offer, how you book calls, everything. I'm sorry for my bad handwriting, but you need to bear it, okay? So that is what. Everything should be in sync. कहीं भी breakage है, for example, ad पे कुछ और कह रहे हो, आपके IG bio कुछ और कह रही है, then it would cause issues, right? So keep that in mind. And along with these two, you need at least 20 to 30% of your revenue coming from renewals and referrals, even higher. Up to 40% भी आना चाहिए आपका some months में रिन्यूअल्स एंड रेफरल्स. कीप इन माइंड आपने लॉन्ग टर्म बिजनेस बिल्ड करना है. आपको ये नहीं होना चाहिए हमेशा कि आप एवरी टाइम यू आर वेकिंग अप विद द टेंशन, ओ यार मेरे क्लाइंट्स कहाँ से आएंगे, ओ यार इस मंथ मेरा पोस्ट वायरल हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, ओ इस मंथ बाय चांस एड्स नहीं चली तो क्या होगा. एड्स आर इनकंसिस्टेंट, ये मैं आपको भी बता रहा हूँ. दे आर गेटिंग कॉस्टलियर प्लस दे आर इनकंसिस्टेंट इन नेचर. एड कॉस्ट बढ़ जाती है स्पेशली इन द फाइनल क्वार्टर ऑफ द ईयर. लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैपन विद एड. सो इसलिए आपने एड्स नेसेसरी वेल एड्स भी कंटेंट भी राइट. बट सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है कि भाई रिन्यूअल्स एंड रेफरल्स पे आपने फोकस करना है. एटलीस्ट 30% आपका रेवेन्यू आना चाहिए इस नंबर से. अगर नहीं आता then it's an issue. Literally, मैं अपने lot of times when I'm strategizing business for our FBE clients, and especially when they are at the scaling stage, ask them कि यार renewal से कितना आ रहा है. And when the numbers are low, renewals and referrals के, that's when I strategize कि work on that because long term business build करना है. This is the biggest thing because literally in a way you are able to liquidate all of your expenses just via renewals, right? And renewals आते हैं कहाँ से? Providing a good service and few things which I'll discuss with you in a bit. And that is what, right? So all also guys keep in mind those who are already paying you, working with you, trust you a lot more than someone who is not paying you yet, right? Because someone who's not paying you is generally finding for reasons, looking for reasons to not trust you. So all three, renewal, referral, ads and content, सब कुछ पे वर्क करना है, right? नेक्स्ट आपको चीज स्टॉप करने की जरूरत है. ये मैंने बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स देखे हैं हु आर नॉट माय क्लाइंट्स येट. लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स दे आर गुड कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स एंड दे सीधा उन्होंने लिखा होता है फिल द फॉर्म एंड बायो इफ यू वांट कोचिंग, और दे डायरेक्टली से डीएम मी द वर्ड टू बुक अ कॉल और हियर्स द लिंक टू बुक अ कॉल. ऑल ऑफ दीज अप्रोचेस आर रॉन्ग. पहली बात तो आप डायरेक्ट बुक अ कॉल रखोगे तो आपका शो अप रेट बहुत ही कम आएगा. पहली बात तो आपको मैं यही बता देता हूँ. दूसरी बात ये है तो कीप इन माइंड humans buy coaching because of personalization, and you need lose 90% of your leads thinking that if someone is interested they'll fill out the form in your bio. Keep in mind लोगों का ना attention span बहुत ज्यादा कम है, and people generally want things in an easy manner, right? आप उनको कह रहे हो फॉर्म फिल करो, नो वन वांट्स टू फिल द फॉर्म. अब आप में से कुछ लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे यार मेरा फॉर्म तो है, और कुछ लोग फिल भी करते हैं. बट द थिंग इज वो 10% लोग ही करते हैं. दोज हु आर लाइक वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन अ सर्विस ना, वो करते हैं. बट फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर इज वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टेड बहुत ही कम लोग होते हैं. हमें इंटरेस्टेड वाले लोगों को भी कन्वर्ट करना है इफ यू वांट टू बिल्ड अ रियल बिजनेस, राइट? सो दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो आपको ये तो अभी हटा दो. आस्क पीपल टू डायरेक्टली डीएम यू एंड फॉलो द प्रोसेस आफ्टर दैट, राइट? अब बिकॉज पर्सनलाइजेशन, यार कॉमन सेंस वाली बात देखो. What is your biggest selling point when it comes to your coaching? You would not generally, you would always say कि यार my coaching is personalized. अब coaching का first आपका touch point क्या है? Them filling the form. Do you think that is signaling that there would be personalization later? Chances are not really. ये बड़ी subconscious चीज है, कभी आपका prospect भी ये चीज नहीं सोचेगा, बट आप सोचो, राइट? तो ये fill the form and buy और book the call directly नहीं होना चाहिए. There should be a short conversation and which can be easily delegated via a VA. बहुत बार हमें लगता है कोचेस यार मैं चैट थोड़ी ना करूंगा बैठ के. आपने नहीं करना, आपने सिस्टम बिल्ड करना, देन बी डेलीगेटेड टू अ VA वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट एंड दैट गेट्स सॉर्टेड. Guys, also as a business owner, systems आप ही build कर सकते हो. No one else can build the systems for you, right? एक दो महीने we need to put in the work. That reminds me of a training which is called learning curve theory. Number one reason your business is not growing. Training होगी अपने YouTube channel पे. Do check that out. That's very important, right? So keep in mind, only very hot leads will fill the form, and they will also get cold if your responses are late slash impersonal. जनरल रूल क्या है कि आपकी एटलीस्ट 25% ऑफ योर लीड शुड बी बुकिंग अ कॉल विद यू. इफ दैट्स नॉट हैपनिंग, देयर सम लीकेज स्पेशली इन दिस पार्ट, राइट? Rather you need to make this process personalized. Get them in your DMs, do a quick qualification. Also keep in mind guys, how many of you use Blinkit and Zomato? Most of you would say yes. Why do you use these instead of going out? The answer is convenience. आप जब ये चीज कर रहे हो, पर्सनल काम कर रहे हो, आप कन्वीनियंस हटा रहे हो. एंड दीज डेज एवरीवन वांट्स सम सॉर्ट ऑफ कन्वीनियंस, सम सॉर्ट ऑफ पर्सनलाइजेशन. So please keep that in mind, right? And that is what. So you qualify people via DMs, and कोई आपको इतनी long chat करने की जरूरत नहीं, quick chat, and that is what. And then you can close them on a call or via chat. Yes, and you can sell by chat your leads once you're experienced. For that, I would want you to meet one of my favorite clients, Nini. He closes 15 to 20 clients every month without getting on a call with them. With what? The system which I'm talking about, the hybrid method, right? So you can do that. If Nini can do that, why can't you? Right? And literally, she's closing 15, 20 clients each month, every month, without getting on calls with them. But day one से ये नहीं था. She built a system. We built a system. Then we built a team. Now we are selling by chat. हम डे वन पे सोचते हो कि मैंने कॉल्स पे नहीं जाना. कीप इन माइंड यार, आपको यू टू इफ यू एक्चुअली वांट टू ग्रो योर बिजनेस, you need to get uncomfortable with stuff. For example, I'm a very big introvert. Still I'm making content, right? And and sooner you get comfortable with that, sooner you start winning. And that is what. By the way, if you want to see how we were able to scale Nini's business to 12,000 rupees a month to 7 lakh rupees, 7 to 8 lakh rupees a month, that is 1 crore rupees per annum run rate. Uh, we have a detailed interview with her. I got her on a call like this, and we talked for 1 hour to discuss in depth how we were able to scale her business. So do check it out. Back to this. Next thing which you need to focus on is nurture and connection. One of the most important things that you need to understand is कि यार, what makes you different? That's you, your personal life, your personal experiences, right? And people buy coaches. People don't buy coaching. ये भी याद रखो, right? So पहली चीज तो आपने understand करना है कि we are in a trust recession right now, and 30-second reels are not enough for someone to trust you. At times, people would trust you, but most people won't trust you. When was the last time you saw someone's 30-second reel and you bought a high ticket service from them? ये बताओ मुझे सोच के. नहीं ना? एग्जाम्पल, एक और एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ. You're watching this video right now. Is this a 30-second video? But with every moment, every second, you are realizing कि यार हाँ, this person understands. ऐसा नहीं है कि यार सिर्फ case studies हैं. These people understand real business. And that is what, right? Alongside, you need to create connection using connection content, right? Where you share your personal life. If you look at FBA or Trained by IBS wala page, I share what's happening in my personal life on a weekly or a bi-weekly basis. Why? So that you understand, okay, I'm a human, and the only reason you should not be joining my thing is because I can get you results. That's one part. But creating inspiration via connection is also very important. Also helps with relatability. Next is building authority via conversion process, जिसकी मैंने बात करी. It should be a little personal in nature. Next is having some sort of long form content based on your coaching method that is required, a short video or a series of videos. For the time being, my FBE clients के साथ, we are not using long form, but for 2025 we have created a long form strategy for each and every client of us already who has already sorted other business systems, right? Next, focus on showing you are a human, not just an Instagram account. That means stop focusing on acting perfect. बहुत बार हम as coaches सोचते हैं यार perfection show करेंगे. नहीं. Right now, what is happening on in my life? I'm working on my health goals. I messed up my health last year. I clearly mentioned that in my year goals. Why? Because see, generally someone would say, "Oh, as a fitness coach, act perfect." Not really. If you're not perfect, show that because your clients are also not perfect and they would respect that about you. नेक्स्ट, यू शुड हैव योर ओन कोचिंग मेथड. ये चीज मैंने आपको पहले भी बताई थी कि ये डिफरेंशिएटर के पार्ट में आ जाती है, बट हाँ. और कोचिंग मेथड के लास्ट डाइट मेथड, इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ फैंसी नेम, इट्स अ यूनिक मैकेनिज्म थ्रू विच यू गेट रिजल्ट्स फॉर योर हाई क्वालिटी क्लाइंट्स. एंड दिस वुड ऑल्सो हेल्प यू कीप योर क्लाइंट्स लॉन्ग टर्म, बिकॉज क्या होता है, कोचिंग मेथड बिल्ड करोगे, कोचिंग के फेजेस बिल्ड करोगे तो डे वन से आपके क्लाइंट्स को ये पता है कि यार हाँ, आगे एक और फेज है. एंड वेन दे आर ऑलरेडी प्री फ्रेम्ड दैट वे, दे वुड ऑलवेज रिन्यू विद यू, राइट? रिन्यूअल्स बढ़ेंगे, आपके रिन्यूअल्स बढ़ेंगे, एंड रिन्यूअल्स इज द स्वीटेस्ट मनी. ये भी याद रखो बात, रिन्यूअल्स एंड रेफरल्स एक्चुअली. एंड your coaching method should be based off your differentiator, your coaching style, who you work with, and your brand direction. All of these things together would change the game. And this is also very important because market is what right now? Sophisticated. Market sophistication ke time pe. That means when your customers become very aware, we need unique mechanisms, right? This would also make sure that your clients stay with you long term, at least 6 to 9 months, not just 3 months. इमेजिन करो आप 3 मंथ्स की जगह क्लाइंट्स आपके साथ 9 मंथ्स रह रहे हैं, आपका बिजनेस 2 to 3x तो वैसे ही हो गया, राइट? And everyone knows that, but no one puts in the work in that direction, right? So that is something which we need to definitely work upon this year to get next level business. And we need to get all of these things in sync because humans can sense your followers or anyone who's consuming your content or anyone who enters your brand within seconds can sense whether your brand is real or not. And when they, sense genuinity, they would want to message you the word transform, right? Right. And once all of these are in sync, we set up automation and delegation system. That means we build a team wherever required, and we set in automations wherever we can. And that is what. And once all of these things are done, you will be in business growth heaven where you are getting clients every day without without worrying about okay यार कल मैसेज आएगा कि नहीं आएगा आएगा. If you do things the right way, this would happen because I'm not just saying this based off my experience. I'm saying this based off experience of hundreds of my clients, right? And all this while your clients love you, your team is growing alongside you. All this while you'll be able to enjoy your vacations. Yes, literally. Last Okay, so today, when I'm recording this, it's 23rd Jan, and last 1 month mein, I've had like three vacations. I went to Thailand, 13 to 17 December. Then I was in Goa from 28th to 6th of Jan. Then I was in Abu Dhabi from 13th to 16th of Jan for my birthday. And literally, my business has grown. This would be one of my biggest months. Why? Because we have built a principle-based business and using the hybrid model, which I've been talking about, right? The goal should be getting leads daily, clients weekly, and them staying with you long term, right? All of these together, and your business would become a real business. And that is what. So, if you want to build a real business, uh, working with us, if you want to scale your fitness business to 1 to 2 crore rupees per annum the right way in 2025, while using principles, not tactics. यहाँ जो भी मैं आपको सिखा रहा हूँ, these are principles. uh, if you want to build a business and a service where your clients and your team loves you, right? We are not a marketing, we are not a company who teaches you marketing. We work on all seven systems of your fitness business, from your service to providing life-changing results to your clients, to your marketing, to your conversion, to your team building, to everything else, right? If you want to set up systems like this, just find us on Instagram and DM us the word scale, and that's what. And once you DM us the word scale, we'll have a conversation with you to see if our vibes align. If our vibes don't align, we'll let you know. I mean, we would redirect you to free resources like these to help you grow. Apart from that, if you're not ready yet, you can check out, if you want to know more about the method, simply in the description, there would be a link in relation to our full hybrid method. There would be a link in relation to some of our client interviews. Only one actually. Nini wala interview ka link डालूंगा मैं. Other interviews are available on the available, and these are not just interviews, these are detailed case studies which can give you a lot of value as to how to grow your fitness business, right? So you can just simply click on the link, and I would be happy to help you either way. So even if you don't join FBA, simply go through our YouTube channel, and you'll find heaven. You'll be like shocked that you're getting so much of value for free. And that's my promise to you. Thank you for being here. If you're interested in joining FBA, just find us on Instagram and DM us the word scale. And I'll see you on the other side. This is YBS checking out, and hope this gave you a lot of value. If you have any questions or anything else, you can always ask us in the comment section. Thank you and bye.